Hello everyone, and today we're making Tanghulu. For that we would need kiwi, grape, and strawberry, or whatever fruit you want. Now we gotta peel the kiwis. Okay, this one did not break. This one's a lucky one. All of them fit. So after you put them into the syrup, you can dip them in cold water. Now we add 200 grams of sugar into a pan. A little bit of water, 50 milliliters. Then we turn on this. So it's boiling, and now we gotta wait until it gets thicker. After that, we can dip our fruit inside. The syrup is way too gooey, so we can't continue. But we still have some of them. Yeah. And now let's try. Oh, it's like glass. So cold.